Good morning, guys. We are now south of Nelson, BC. This is the furthest southeast I've been. Getting pretty close to the U.S. border, actually, the Washington border. But yeah, came here, did some shopping in Nelson, and was going to go to another rec site, but the showers were closed in Nelson at the community center with it being a holiday on the Monday. So yeah, I came to this municipal park. And they have campsites here, and there's coin-op showers. $1 for like 10 minutes. Works for me. So yeah, and nice shaded spot as well. And of course, Uma always likes it. She's growling at something. The hunter. Hi. How are you? You little hunter? Uma. Who's a good girl? Oh, I know. Anyhow, we are continuing on, going further east. I think we're going to go back into a time zone. And then I think we're doing a big circle around and going to end up in back in Golden, BC. I might even go to Wait a Bit Creek again, or a little further up. There are a bunch of campgrounds on that Forest Service Road, so I might go past Wait a Bit Creek to the next one. I don't know. We'll decide when we get there. But yeah, might even check out Golden on the way. So yeah, come along. Enjoying the dripping water. Kind of nice to wake up to rain in the morning. I think that's the first rain I've had since I got to BC. Not bad. Where are we now? We're just around Cranbrook, BC. Heading back north towards like Inverness and Golden and stuff like that. Still in the Kootenay area. So yeah, gonna hang out here for a couple days. It's free, beautiful scenery, got water, it's all good. Yeah, gonna stay here, cook some food, maybe pulled chicken tacos tonight. I don't know, maybe Big Mac tacos. They both sound good to me. I gotta decide. Yeah, so we'll see you when we start cooking. Alright, it's still raining outside, so I decided to make Big Mac tacos tonight. First, we're going to make the Big Mac sauce. There are tons of recipes online for the Big Mac sauce. It always seems to be mayonnaise based. So, put mayonnaise in there. I don't want to make too much because I'm only having 2, obviously. So I cut the recipe in half from the one I saw online. It's a 1/4 cup of mayo. So I got 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm going to use 1 of regular mustard and 1 of Dijon mustard. I've seen both used online, so yeah, might as well try a little bit of both, right? All right. I think it was another teaspoon of relish, and then a bunch of dry ingredients that I already measured out. I think it's like paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix all these together. There we go. It looks like it. Tastes like it. Anyhow, this is it. We're covering it up. Put it in the fridge to let it sit for a while, and we're going to make the patties. Alright, so I'm just guesstimating here, but I guess it's about a 1/4 pound of beef per taco sort of thing. So I'm just going to flatten these out and make them as flat as possible, and we'll see what we get. I didn't put anything in the ground beef to season it, so I'm just going to put a little salt and pepper on each. All right, let's get cooking. Got the cast iron pan, put a little olive oil in it. All right, well, with the meat being so thin, I don't think they're going to take very long to cook. So let's get at it. I don't know if it's going to be hard to flip this or not, but let's give it a try. Alright, that works. We're going to put some cheese on top. Alright, look at that. That looks pretty good to me. So we're going to put a little bit of shredded lettuce on here. Some pickles, of course. The Big Mac size. Yeah. Fold it all up. Look at that. That was good. Now let's try this baby out. I'll try a bite with the pickle. Oh, that is so good. I like it. I'm definitely making these again. All right, I ate both. They're very good. One thing I did forget to mention though is you want to buy really lean ground beef, or it'll be too oily, too fatty, obviously. I still put mine on a paper towel on the plate, soaked it up perfectly. They were good. Like I said, I'm definitely doing that one again. All right, another beautiful morning here in the Kootenays. I was going to do some more traveling this week, but I really can't be bothered. Well, this place is great. I'm sleeping like a log here, and this is one of the first places I've been in the Kootenays where it's an open place like this. Usually I'm surrounded by forest, so it's really hard for the Starlink to get a signal. So it's free. I might as well stay here for the weekend. Got beautiful scenery behind me, the mountains and everything. Why bother looking for anything else? So yeah, I'm just going to stay here. The weather's supposed to be beautiful. Uma likes it. Just got back from a nice walk around the lake. I think it's about a 2.5 kilometer walk. Perfect. So yeah, we're just staying here. So we'll hopefully see you guys next week. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.